Thinking about pursuing the ACCA qualification but worried about the costs? You're not alone. Managing tuition fees, study materials, and other expenses can be daunting, but there are ways to make it more manageable. Today, we're going to break down the costs and explore various financial support options to help you achieve your ACCA dreams without breaking the bank. Before diving into the ACCA qualification, it's essential to understand the financial commitment involved. Studying for ACCA is a significant investment in your career, and knowing what to expect can help you plan effectively. Let's start by breaking down the key costs you will need to consider. From tuition fees and self-study materials to exam and membership fees, we'll cover all the financial aspects so you can budget wisely and focus on achieving your ACCA goals. Number 1. Tuition costs. ACCA courses can be a significant investment. The tuition fees depend on the level of study, whether you are starting out with foundational courses or advancing to the more specialized levels. Fees also varies based on the institution and whether you choose in-person classes or online learning. It's essential to compare different providers and explore various options to find the most cost-effective solution that meets your needs. With FinPlan Edu, you not only benefit from the expert instruction but also receive valuable advice on navigating costs and maximizing your study investment. Number 2. Self-study materials. For those opting for self-study, you'll need various materials like textbooks, revision kits, and online resources. These materials can add up quickly. Investing in high-quality study aids can be crucial for your success, so it's important to budget for these essentials. Prioritize purchasing core study materials and consider borrowing or using free resources when possible. Number 3. Exam fees. Each ACCA exam comes with its own fee, which can vary depending on the level and your location. Be mindful of the deadlines for exam entries, as missing them could result in higher fees or additional charges. Keeping track of these deadlines and exploring any available discounts such as early entry or bulk registration discounts can help manage cost effectively. For more information on managing these costs and understanding the full fee structure, check out our video titled Understanding the ACCA Fee Structure 2024 Breakdown, All Costs Explained in Detail. It provides an in-depth look at all the associated costs for ACCA. Number 4. Registration and membership fees. At the start of your ACCA journey, you'll need to pay a one-time registration fee. Once you qualify, there are annual membership fees to keep your qualification active. It's crucial to account for these fees in your budget to avoid any unexpected expenses as you progress through your studies. Now, let's explore some ways to ease the financial burden. Number 1. Employer sponsorship. Many employers offer sponsorship for employees pursuing ACCA qualifications, covering some or all of the tuition fees, exam costs, and related expenses. To qualify for this support, you usually need to meet specific criteria. This often includes being employed with a company for a certain period, showing commitment to your professional growth, and maintaining a good academic record. Here are some tips to help you secure employer sponsorship. Research opportunities. Look for companies, especially large corporations or accounting firms, that are known for supporting their employees' professional development. Check job listings or company career pages for information on sponsorship or tuition assistant programs. Demonstrate initiative. Show your employer that you are committed to pursuing the ACCA qualification and explain how it will benefit both you and the company. Highlight how your enhanced skills and knowledge will contribute to your role and align with the company's objectives. Seek support. Discuss your plans with your line manager or HR department and ask them for assistance in securing sponsorship. They can guide you on the available tuition assistant programs or suggest other ways the company might support your ACCA journey. Number 2. Scholarships. To qualify for scholarships, applicants typically need to meet specific criteria such as outstanding academic performance, financial need, or being a part of an underrepresented group. It's crucial to research and apply for these opportunities well before your program begins to maximize your chances. One notable scholarship for ACCA students is the Simpson Scholarship. This award recognizes and supports exceptional ACCA candidates who have demonstrated top-tier exam results. Each year, the Simpson Scholarship provides financial assistance to 5 ACCA students who have achieved high merit and distinction in their exams. The scholarship covers exam fees, annual student subscription fees, annual affiliate subscription fees, and membership admission fee. Number 3. Student loans. Student loans are government-supported financial aids designed to help students with costs of higher education. These loans can cover both tuition fees and living expenses and are available to eligible full-time and part-time students. Unlike traditional loans, student loans generally come with lower interest rates and repayments only begin once the student starts earning above a specified income level. Number 4. Traineeships. Many companies, including professional service firms, accounting practices, and multinationals, offer trainee roles that include the ACCA qualification. Some firms may even pay for trainees to study ACCA, provide study leave, and offer workplace mentors and training support. These positions can be competitive, but they can also be a very good way to start your career while getting paid. Don't let financial constraints stop you from achieving your ACCA goals. Explore these funding options and find what works best for you. Remember, researching thoroughly and planning ahead can make a big difference. At FinPlan Edu, we are here to support you throughout your ACCA journey. If you have any questions about the qualification or need help with financing, feel free to reach out. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and resources advancing on your finance career.